Hi guys, welcome. We are here at the beautiful beach. I'm joined here with my general manager.
Guys, we're gonna be doing a different video today. Right now we have the Jeep Wrangler 41 edition. They only made a couple of these in the United States. And we have another limited edition, Moab 392.
Oh my God, we're super excited.
Yeah, two separate engines, two separate builds. So we're gonna have some fun and we're gonna push these vehicles to their limits, see what they got.
Exactly.
Well, again, we'll see what happens. You have two different builds here. This one is upgraded with the winch.
And we did everything in-house, by the way.
That's true, yeah. So we got the winch, the bumper, the lift, the tires, the lights, and this one right here is all stock.
All stock.
And the winch and the bumper and the tires and the lift and everything is all stock, but it also does have a 392 V8 engine. So we'll see how everything plays out.
I told Adrian, don't go to the dunes. Don't go to the dunes.